Hello everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to talk about things in the house, how to pronounce the words, and at the end of the video, we'll use these words in sentences. You listen and repeat. Ready? Go! What's in your house? Listen and repeat. Sofa, sofa. Armchair, armchair. Chair, chair. Table, table. Desk, desk. Shelf, shelf. Carpet, carpet. Curtain, curtain. Let's make sentences. I like to have a nap on the sofa in the living room. Can you see the cat sleeping in the yellow armchair? You can't sit on that chair, it's broken. Lunch is on the table, let's eat. I always do my homework at my desk. Dad helped me put up a new shelf for my new books. Please don't step on the carpet with your dirty shoes. The window is open and the curtain is blowing in the wind. You did it! Now, can you try and make your sentences? Try it! Till next time, goodbye!